Hi everyone, in this project we are building a data pipeline in Azure to analyze sensor data from water bodies across Europe, helping us uncover valuable insights into water quality trends. Monitoring water quality can be complex. We are dealing with massive data sets covering factors like chemical levels and pollution across years and countries. To handle this, we need a powerful data pipeline to ingest, clean, transform, and analyze this data efficiently, and we are going to do this using Azure. Let's walk through the architecture. Each part plays a critical role in managing this data. We start with data in SQL Server containing raw sensor readings. Azure Logic then automates data ingestion, acting as a bridge to pull data into Azure Blob Storage. This is our first stop for storing raw data. Next, Azure Data Factory orchestrates data movement, transferring data from blob storage to Azure Data Lake storage. It ensures smooth data flow for further processing. In data lake storage, we use medallion architecture with bronze, silver, and gold layers. Bronze layer holds raw data, silver cleans and transforms it, and gold is where we store analysis ready data. Then we use Azure Databricks for big data processing. It enables complex data cleaning, filtering, and transformations, preparing the data for visualization. Finally, the refined data is loaded into Power BI, where we create interactive dashboards to visualize water quality trends, helping stakeholders make data driven decisions. By working on this project, you will gain essential skills in Azure services, data management, and visualization. So, are you ready to elevate your data skills? Join us and start building. Thank you.